So, how's your hand now, sir?
And okay. Finally.
It's very sad to see you like this, actually getting it with your hand burnt.
Yeah, now it's much better. I'll show you the picture when it happened.
You can see how badly sir's hand was burnt.
This was after a week.
It's too bad, sir. Can't see all. I think you should take one big drishti and put out.
No, the thing.
Yes, sir. So this is the original Shogun muffler. But what was installed on my bike was something. Okay. That's why I used to.
This is through.
Okay.
You can see through it.
Yeah, you can see through it. You can't see. Yes.
There's a baffle here.
There's a baffle. Yeah. So that's why that pressure wasn't creating.
Back pressure.
Back pressure was not created. Okay, now this is fine. Was it the hub, sir? The screw, the bush that you told you had to do the bushing for it?
And I'll replace the cam also. This
Okay.
this is one out here.
Mm-hmm.
This is both sides. This is one out. One side is one out more. See this step here?
Yeah. You can see. Yeah, kill it. So camshaft is also there.
Cam also. Full free become.
Yeah.
I got the coil winding done also.
The coil winding stuff.
This wire has been replaced.
Okay.
The new wire.
Yeah. So now, how much is it showing, sir? So you said it would be around 110, 120 something.
121.
121. Okay.
121 ohms now.
Okay. 121 ohms. And what about the carb, sir?
I've cleaned the carbon put it back.
In the carb.
Yeah.
Okay. No, the
Jet
pilot jet and
all original.
all are original.
Don't get all original.
All original. So that.
Brake shoes have replaced.
Oh, brake shoes are also.
Yeah. Brake shoes, some local brake shoes there.
Anything else to know, sir, apart from this?
No, everything is almost done. Except for that, just clean this muffler, put glass wood and put it into the silencer. Get the silencer, I haven't put oil also. Put oil and start bike. Then I will do the front fork.
Okay, sir. Okay. For Shogun and Shaolin, how will you get to know the difference between the cylinders, sir? Because both look alike.
Both look alike,
Yeah.
but Shaolin cylinder, if you put both together, the Shaolin cylinder is much broader.
It's much broader, right? Okay.
So that is a 140cc. It's definitely much broader. But if you look at it, Shogun cylinder separately and Shaolin, little difficult to make out unless you measure the inside.
Okay.
That you have to measure it with the vernier.
That's the only thing. But there's no other.
If you kept both together, then you can easily
make out. And you have a Shaolin sticker back there.
Sticker kit, yeah.
Can you just show us, sir?
Yeah. Small dots here.
Yeah.
Made like dots.
Okay. Now we won't get anything original for this paper.
Sticker kit impossible. This also I got somewhere. I picked it up and kept it.
Okay.
Now this also is not available.
I have one more question for Shaolin. The exhaust port. So, can you fit a Shogun's silencer on Shaolin?
You can't fit it.
Mhm.
Chassis is the same, everything is the same. Can't fit it, but it won't perform.
It won't perform.
The tune length of the silencer is different on the Shaolin. Shaolin silencer is much longer.
Okay. But can you use the Shogun's muffler on Shaolin? No. That is also not
That is
possible.
also different.
That is also different. Now, few of them are telling, we can convert Shogun to 5-speed. So, how does the conversion relate?
The bottom end they replace with the Shaolin.
Okay.
One line there.
Okay. Where is the engine case? Okay.
That is Shaolin top. Plus bore, everything fits shape. Bore, everything fits correctly on that.
So, you can put.
But after that, you have to do a lot of other things. Sprocketting has to be done. Or at least some timing has to be done.
Okay.
Carburetor has to be replaced. A lot of other things are involved.
So, if you're planning to convert, then a lot of changes and alterations have to be made. But.
And it's not that, again, depending on the person's riding style, you will have to experiment with the sprocket. It's not that you put this much, it will work. It depends on what the rider wants from that bike.
So, why we don't use the oil pump and why we prefer premix? Is there any reason for it?
These bikes, everybody rides them hard. So there are people are scared, that oil pump might fail. That is the reason they do premix.
Okay. But then for a Shogun, is it necessary that you have to have oil pump, or because this is disconnected any which ways?
Yeah.
So they say.
So what happens with this oil pump? The oil pump is driven from the gear shaft, which has a plastic piece.
Okay.
At high rev, that plastic piece might break.
Okay.
And after that, once that breaks, the oil pump will stop functioning. So that is the reason people are riding a premix.
So if at all I take the bike on a long journey or long ride, I would have to keep using the premix only. But
Better mix. Better cheap.
Okay, it's
Only
not necessary.
the only advantage with the oil pump is the oil will pump as much as the engine requires at a given RPM.
Correct.
But here in premix, the oil content remains constant. So over a period of time, the carbon deposits are a little more compared to running on oil pump.
Okay. And also,
it will smoke constantly. It will smoke. But with oil pump, as and when you increase throttle, the smoke density increases. At city riding conditions, you will hardly see any smoke. So that is the advantage and disadvantage of having a oil pump over the premix.
my next question would be 2T oil and the 4T oil. So few of them, what they do, since 4T has, the viscosity is more. Yeah, they use that. They say that it's got a better advantage when it comes to cooling and everything. Nothing like that. Right? So 2T is any day better.
2T is a self-mixing oil.
Correct.
So it is always mixed in the petrol. This engine oil is heavier than petrol. So if you park it overnight, that oil will settle into down below. Which means a moment before putting on the petrol tap, you have to shake the bike for that oil to mix into the petrol. Okay. Otherwise, first oil will come into the carburetor.
And prolonged usage might also cause carbon deposits and
100%. Definitely much more.
Any changes to the piston, or does it affect the piston rings?
Piston rings it will not affect. See, engine oil is made to safeguard the internals of the engine. Which is the clutch, the gearbox, everything, not for petrol leaks.
Okay.
It's definitely not for petrol leaks. But see, before 2T came, our old bikes are all those, the Road King, this, that, we used to put that. Because 2T was not available.
Okay.
We had no alternative. But then, like I said, the moment you park it overnight, all the oil will settle down. You have to shake the bike before you put on the petrol. For that oil to mix.
Got it, sir. Thank you.
While the bike is in motion, anyway the fuel is sloshing around inside. So it's always mixed there. So only when you park it overnight, or maybe 2-3 days, all that oil will settle down.
So my next question is, how much 2T oil per liter? Does it depend on the bike?
40 ml per liter should be good. Some people put 50 because they don't have no idea what that oil is about, what it's going to do. So just because the engine has been done, they put 50. I've been running all my bikes, engine done or not,
Okay.
40 ml per liter. Including my old 79 model Rolls Royce, I'm running on 40 from day one. From the time my dad picked up the bike from the showroom.
Okay.
It's 40 ml.
40 ml. It doesn't depend on which bike or anything.
No, it doesn't. It doesn't. 40 ml is good.
40 ml is good. Oh.
In fact, this opposite lane I've done up on RX 100, which was parked in Devanali for last 10-12 years. He didn't want the oil pump to run. And in fact, the oil pump was not there on the bike. So he's running on, from day one, he's done about 300-400 kilometers. He's running on 40.
40 ml.